Welcome back to Summarize Science. Today we are exploring a groundbreaking study from Singapore about how AI can help us design cooler, more comfortable cities. As our planet warms, cities often become heat islands that trap warmth and require massive amounts of energy for air conditioning. Researchers have developed a new framework called Agentic AI to help urban planners tackle this problem more efficiently. Unlike a standard chatbot, this agentic AI acts like a smart orchestrator that can understand complex goals and use specialized tools. Planners can give the system a simple request in plain language, such as asking how to improve comfort in a specific neighborhood. The AI first analyzes the user's intent and then automatically prepares 3D models of the buildings and streets. It then coordinates different physics-based simulations to calculate things like wind flow, solar radiation, and ground temperature. These simulations are based on real-world physics, but they're designed to be lightweight so the AI can run them quickly. The system even considers specific local weather data, like the hot and humid conditions found in Singapore. In one test, the AI analyzed 2 different districts to find hotspots where pedestrians would feel the most thermal stress. It also calculated the energy use intensity for every building to see which ones were the most inefficient. By assigning unique IDs to every building, the AI can precisely pinpoint which structures are causing the most problems. This allows it to generate detailed reports explaining exactly why a certain street corner feels like an oven at 1 in the afternoon. The researchers then tested if the AI could suggest changes, like using different paint or materials on the walls and roofs. They discovered something very interesting called the albedo penalty. While making surfaces more reflective helped keep the buildings cool and saved energy, it actually made the pedestrians in the streets feel hotter. This happens because the sunlight reflects off the bright ground and hits the people walking by. Because the AI is smart, it was able to recognize this trade-off and self-correct its recommendations. Instead of a blanket recommendation for bright surfaces, it suggested high reflectivity for roofs, but different strategies for the street level. To recap, this study shows that AI can act as a bridge between complex science and practical city design. It can take care of the tedious technical work, allowing humans to focus on the big-picture decisions. This means we could see much faster development of climate-resilient neighborhoods that are both comfortable and sustainable. In the future, this technology might allow even non-experts to help design better, cooler environments for everyone. It marks a significant step toward using artificial intelligence to solve very real physical challenges in our world. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and stay tuned for more updates on the future of technology.